Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing multiple entry business visas to Thailand. For those who are unaware, these are generally issued in one-year intervals, and those who obtain them will be stamped into Thailand in business visa status for 90-day intervals of lawful status here in Thailand. Now, I saw a comment on a video I did recently where we were talking about business visa extension, and we were talking about things like reentry permits and maintaining status, and specifically things like expiration of work permit or cancellation of work permit, and how that cancellation could essentially, well, it will essentially cancel the underlying business visa extension. And somebody brought up the point, they said, well, if it's a multiple entry business visa, then that analysis does not apply. And that's fair enough, that is true. As a practical matter, the last 2 years, that's kind of all been put on the back burner because nobody's been maintaining multiple entry business visas. If anything, especially going back 2 years ago, we were getting everybody out of those as quickly as we could because we needed to get them into extension status to continue to maintain their status here in Thailand all throughout this pandemic shutdown. So the thing to understand about this is, yes, it is an option. It's still out there. Here in late April, early May of 2022, we're still dealing with a lot of entry-exit requirements. So as a practical matter, multiple entry business visas are not really going to be all that, they're going to be pretty cumbersome is basically the point. But, and another thing to keep in mind, these have not been issued, even going back the last 5 years, multiple entry business visas have not been issued with the same frequency that they were once issued. And in fact, I think coming off this pandemic, there's probably a good chance we may not see these issued with any level of frequency ever again. It remains to be seen, and we'll certainly keep you updated on this channel, but my opinion is that's probably going to be the case. We're just simply not going to see nearly as many of these. If anything, I kind of see myself in the future, if I see one of these, kind of looking at that like, oh wow, I haven't seen one of those in forever, if and when I ever actually do see one, which may be never.